So I was saying that Harinam is very very potent, very very powerful. Okay, and in the last couple of weeks we have seen, at least I have seen personally, in my life. Okay, thank you everyone. Madhav Pro, Anurag Pro, Ayan Pro, Vidhi Mataji. Very happy to see all of you after a long time. So I was actually in a very tough situation. Actually, I've been in a very tough situation since almost 1 year. Okay, but what I realized is that what aggravated that tough situation was that I felt that I have to do a lot of managing around it. Okay, I have to ignore my spiritual life. I have to ignore my japa. I have to ignore my hearing. I have to ignore my reading. I have to ignore my chanting and everything, and manage that tough situation. Okay, but what I realized is that the situation wasn't that tough after all. Okay, since August, I got some really good help. I started sleeping in the same ashram where Srila Gurudev is sleeping. Okay, so and at the same place where he comes, like exactly around 12:45 or 12:50 for chanting his japa. I started sleeping at that exact same place. ठीक है तो now of course I cannot be so shameless that I will stay sleeping once he has come also. Okay, and the fear, oh Gurudev will come, Gurudev will come, oh no, if he sees me here I am sleeping at the place where he chants japa, then he might not like it. Okay, so that thing was on my mind, so automatically I used to get up like at least 10-15 minutes before him usually. Okay, so uh, and then chanting with him early in the morning na, from 1 a.m up till 4:30 a.m or so, before we go for Mangal Aarti, right? I mean, last couple of days have been like really good in terms of japa. Okay, and once your japa is good na, you feel great satisfaction from within the heart. Okay, otherwise you feel hankering. Okay, अगर मैं आपको अभी बोल दूँ, आज से मांस मछली नहीं खाना, चाय कॉफ़ी नहीं पीना, कांदा लहसुन नहीं खाना, प्याज लहसुन नहीं खाना, पोर्नोग्राफी नहीं देखना, सेक्स नहीं करना, सिर्फ बच्चे के लिए करना, गैम्बलिंग नहीं करना, सुबह जल्दी उठना, हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र का जप करना, मंगल आरती में जाना, तुलसी आरती में जाना, नरसिम्हा आरती में जाना, दिन भर भक्तों की सेवा करना, हाँ, सो मैनी थिंग्स. उसके साथ साथ अपना ऑफिस भी मैनेज करना, राइट? वील गेट सो बिविल्डर्ड, अरे इतना सब कैसे होगा, नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? वील स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाइक दैट, नॉट पॉसिबल, इम्पॉसिबल. Okay, but Srila Prabhupada used to say, what did he used to say? He used to say this word impossible is a word in a fool's dictionary. Okay, in a fool's dictionary. Foolish people talk like that this is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Okay, with the power of the holy name, nothing is impossible, because I have been doing all this since the last 1 month. Okay, and the strength is coming from where? Getting up early around 12:30, 12:45 and chanting japa with Gurudev. Okay, that is where the strength is coming from. Okay, of course not everyone can get up that early, but everyone has the chance to chant with him on Zoom. Even if not that early, he's there till 7:30 a.m, right? Now he'll go to Lagos on the 1st, so next 3 months the japa timing will start from 5:30 itself. Okay, around 5:30 to 10:30. Okay, right now it's like around 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Okay, later it will become 5:30 to 10:30. At least we can make use of that time. Okay, and I'm telling you, like, automatically you will not want, I'm telling you, you will not be the same person. You will not be the same person. Okay, एक एग्जाम्पल, सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. अगर अभी हम कहीं स्ट्रीट पे जा रहे हैं एंड वी सी समवन सेलिंग समथिंग दैट वी लाइक, ओके, if our spirituality, if our japa, if our practice, if our sadhana is weak, okay, then we'll not consider, अरे ये तो मतलब offered है या नहीं है. Generally a devotee should eat only that which is offered to Krishna. Devotee should not eat anything else. Okay, but if our japa is weak ना, then we'll say अरे क्या होता है, चल खा लेते हैं, कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, ऐसे करके. But if our japa is strong, we'll say no, this is not offered for Krishna, this is not even made for Krishna. Okay, this is made for what? Money, money, money. Money, money, money must be funny in a rich man's world. Yes. So this is made for money, money, money. Then I'll understand. अच्छा ये नहीं खाना, यहाँ से नहीं खाना, ये तो पैसे के लिए बनाया है, बस कृष्ण के लिए थोड़ी बनाया है, प्रेम से। मैं बनाऊंगा कृष्ण के लिए, प्रेम से जाके मोमोज बनाऊंगा, चाउमीन बनाऊंगा, पिज्ज़ा बनाऊंगा, सब बनाऊंगा, कृष्ण को भोग लगाऊंगा, फिर मैं भी खा लूँगा, कृष्ण मुझे भी दे देंगे। द डिफरेंस इन कॉन्शियसनेस विल बी वेरी वेरी stark. Okay, very very stark. Okay, and this is very practical. Like I'm not telling some sort of a joke. Okay, the same things that might bother you on a normal day, okay, when your japa is not strong, they will not bother you on a day when your japa is strong. Okay, same situation. Okay, तो सोल्जर जब बैटलफील्ड में जाता है, so does he go without his weapons? What will happen if he goes without his weapons? Does he stand a chance to succeed? नहीं ना. ऐसे ही, why do we enter the battlefield of every single day without our weapon? Without our weapon of chanting, without our weapon of hearing, without our weapon of reading? Why do we enter the battlefield? Okay, तब तो भगवान की मटीरियल एनर्जी हमें पूरी तरह से मार पीट के ख़त्म कर देगी, है ना। और फिर हम बोलेंगे कुछ सालों बाद, अरे मैंने बहुत साल तक ये हरे कृष्ण का जप किया, कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है। फिर हम ऐसे बोलेंगे, वाई? बिकॉज वी अप्लाइड द प्रोसेस रॉन्गली, देन वी ब्लेम द प्रोसेस, नॉट आर सेल्स, बिकॉज हम तो हर सिचुएशन में करेक्ट होते हैं, राइट? वी आर करेक्ट इन एवरी सिचुएशन, राइट? दैट इज़ द नेचर ऑफ फॉल्स ईगो. फॉल्स ईगो सेज आई एम करेक्ट इन एवरी सिचुएशन. यस. सो इट्स नॉट सो. अगर अगर अब देखो, आईआईटी जाने के भी बहुत तरीके हैं. कोई स्टूडेंट बन के भी आईआईटी जा सकता है, राइट? और कोई मान लो कुछ और बन के भी जा सकता है. समवन कैन गो लाइक मे बी डू सम मैनेजरियल जॉब देयर और वट एवर, राइट? देन वन में से, अरे तुमने तो बोला था आईआईटी जाने से इतना अच्छा प्लेसमेंट लगता है. यस, वो लगता है, वो स्टूडेंट का लगता है. कोई नॉर्मल ऐसे जो घूमने फिरने जाते हैं आईआईटी में लोग, उनका नहीं लगता है ना. कैंपस देखने आ गए, बड़ा सुना बड़ा अच्छा कैंपस है, देख के आते हैं है ना, तो उनका थोड़ी लगेगा. देन दे विल से, अरे नहीं नहीं बेकार है, मैं भी गया था आईआईटी एक दिन, कुछ नहीं हुआ, मेरे को कोई पैकेज नहीं मिला गूगल में 1 करोड़ रुपए का, सब झूठ है, फर्जी है. यस, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पॉइंट. सो वी हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रोसेस करेक्टली. वी हैव टू चैंट विद प्योर डिवोटीज, ओके, लाइक Srila Gurudev. Okay, I cannot explain to you, like we went to Bangalore and how hectic the schedule was, but he was there for the devotees throughout the day. And just recently we are coming from Udaipur, from Nathdwara, so constantly he is there for all of us. So we should take this opportunity, we should chant japa with him. Okay, it really it will really change your life. And we should wake up early in the morning. Okay, early in the morning. ओके, स्पेसिफिकली मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊँ ना, अगर आप शाम को अपने ये वाले डिवाइस को, हाँ, इफ़ यू रिप्लेस दिस डिवाइस विद अ वेरी यू नो ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ डिवाइस, with this kind of device, you will not have much trouble sleeping. Okay, sorry, one of my book got dropped. Okay, उसमें क्या करोगे? रील्स देखोगे, न्यूज़ सुनोगे, कुछ भक्ति तो करोगे नहीं, है ना. बेटर यू कैन यूज सच थिंग्स. सी, सो स्वीट. श्री राधा ध्यान अमृत बाय श्रीला विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर. सो स्वीट. Meditations on the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. Meditations on the form of Srimati Radharani. Yes. And there was one for Sri Krishna also. Yeah. Shri Rup Chintamani. The Chintamani jewel of beauty. Okay, so you should read these things. Okay, तो आप फील कर पाओगे एक्चुअली, बट आई एम सेइंग अगेन एंड अगेन, बट वी डोंट सी दैट काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट. ठीक है, बस ना देखो, ऐसा बस करना, मतलब इट्स गुड दैट यू हैव कम टू दैट लेवल कि आप दिन में मतलब अपनी माला कर लेते हो आप लोग कभी भी, है ना. बट वी हैव टू फॉलो मोर. Okay, if we want to get more, we have to follow more. Okay, it's clear that Krishna says na, ye yatha mam prapadyante tam sathaiva bhajamyaham mam vartamanuvartante manushyaha partha sarvasha. That if we want to get more, We have to follow more. As devotees surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Okay, simple as that. तो जितना हम भगवान के लिए करेंगे उतना भगवान हमारे लिए रेसिप्रोकेट होके करेंगे. ठीक है. And Prabhus, I am telling you the truth. Harinam is magic. It is not theory, Prabhus and Matajis. Okay, it is not theory. Harinam is a living entity. Okay, it is very much, everything you hear about Harinam in our scriptures is absolutely true. Okay, it's absolutely true. Alright, it can make you rise above even the greatest of our hankerings. जो भी हमें चाहिए ना इस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में, हम अगर हरिनाम अच्छे से ले लेंगे ना, हमें सब चीज़ें उसके आगे टुच लगेंगी. ओके, सब कुछ टुच लगेगा. बिकॉज द प्लेजर इज़ सो ग्रेट. द प्लेजर इज़ सो ग्रेट. यस, भगवद गीता में बोलते हैं ना, विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिना रसवर्जम रसोप्यस्य परम दृष्टा निवर्तते. That even though you can stop the embodied soul from sense enjoyment, but the taste of sense enjoyment still remains. ठीक है, अगर हम आर्टिफिशियली स्टॉप कर दें अपने एक्टिविटीज़, ठीक है, तो हमें फिर भी मन में तो चलता रहेगा, यार करना था करने नहीं दिया ऐसे करके. यस, बट इफ़ यू एक्सपीरियंस दैट हायर टेस्ट, you will naturally give up the lower taste. Okay, it is as simple as that. By experiencing the higher taste, the lower taste is naturally given up. Okay, very naturally. Okay, जैसे अब मान लो कोई मारुति 800 चलाता है, ठीक है, बट अगर मैं उसको ऑडी दे दूँ, BMW दे दूँ, तो उसका इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से वही चलाना चाहेगा. He'll not want to go back to the 800. Okay, it's very very natural. Very very natural. Alright, so you have to chant very nicely, and when we say nicely, very attentively. Okay, very very attentively, very loudly and distinctly. We should hear. Okay, अभी मैं देख रहा था चैंटिंग सेशन में, some of you were not moving your lips. Okay, मन में नहीं करना है ये चैंटिंग, इससे मन नियंत्रण में नहीं आएगा. Okay, to chant loudly so you can hear. And the portion of the Harinam that you hear is the one that purifies you. Okay, and Harinam के time no distraction. एक हाथ में माला है, एक हाथ में मोबाइल है. हाँ, that is not good. That is अपराध. Okay, that should not be done. Harinam means Harinam. Okay, if your girlfriend has come and you are busy on the mobile, then what she'll do? She'll give you one slap and tell you I'm going. Okay, because you don't pay me any attention. Okay, so similarly, if you don't pay attention to Harinam, then Nam Prabhu will go. Okay, to pay attention. If we call someone, we are only calling. Okay, and then we are only not paying attention. Okay, so that is not good. Should be very very attentive. बहुत ध्यान से, बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग को जप करना है, and it will work like magic. It will really really work like magic. Okay, I'm not kidding. I'm having experience. That's why I'm telling. Whatever I tell is from experience. I am not that much of a theory person. Okay, whatever I'm telling is from my personal experience of things. All right. So try to do it. We are here for all of you. And just 1 minute. Huh? Okay, so we have little time, maybe half an hour. I just want to tell you what are some upcoming things. Okay, so on 24th we have Ekadashi. Alright, so fasting from grains, 24th, which is tomorrow. Okay, do check your local Paran times. Then Kartik is starting, 2026 Kartik, from October 27 to November 25. Okay, the most auspicious month of Kartik. Just like we had Purushottam, which comes once in 3 years, Kartik comes every year. Okay, so we have to do some special sadhana, which we'll tell you. Alright, and every day in the month of Kartik we have this course. Kartik is a little far, so I'll make an announcement about it later only. And our next yatra will be in Feb or March 2027. Okay, so all of you be prepared. Alright, and on Zoom these are the current timings. All right. And timings from Nigeria will be 5:30 a.m. to roughly 8:30 a.m. and then again from roughly 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, you can come and chant with Maharaj. It will be very nice, very sweet. Should make use of this opportunity. Not everyone gets this kind of sadhu sangha. Not everyone. It is very few people, and if after that also you're not accessing, then you're very unfortunate. Okay. Then मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, like I was sharing with Vidhi Mataji also. She was also sharing some of her issues. I just told her simple solution. Yes, very simple. Just get up early in the morning and chant your rounds very nicely, if possible, in sadhu sangha. Okay, in the association of other devotees. Even if it's on Zoom, okay, it's effective. Okay, even if on Zoom, it's effective. All right, and daily definitely there are 2 classes every day going on, which you can attend if you want. If you don't want, also it's okay. But these are the things that will nourish us, right? Otherwise, we'll become dry. Okay. See, again, I'm telling you, there is not much new knowledge to be shared. Of course, there's so much new knowledge to be shared, and we'll keep sharing it with you. But what we need to do is we need to follow the process. Okay, that is what's important. If we follow the process, knowledge will come automatically. Gyan and Vairagya come naturally to a person who has bhakti. But a person who has Gyan or Vairagya or both, bhakti will not come. Okay, because bhakti is independent. Bhakti is in fact the mother of Gyan and Vairagya. Okay, bhakti is the mother of Gyan and Vairagya, not otherwise. Don't think if I have knowledge then I'll be bhakti. I'll have bhakti. I'll be bhaktiman if I have knowledge. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, if you have knowledge, you only become proud. Okay, bhakti gives you humility, and that is when true knowledge can come. Because a person who has true knowledge is very, very humble person. He's not a proud person. If we only have knowledge, then we become a proud person, envious person, like Keshav Kashmiri, who even challenged Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, he wrote 100 verses on the Ganga, and he was so proud. Saraswati sits on my tongue. Okay, like that. Nimai just came. Not 5-year-old boy, but small boy. Nimai was a small boy. Nimai came, and in the first shloka itself he said, oh, these are the 5 defects in your first shloka. Okay. Keshav Kashmiri was shocked. Oh my God, what has happened? Okay. Then at night, Saraswati Devi came. You worship me. I worship the person who defeated you today. Okay. You think I will give you knowledge? I get all my knowledge from that person who defeated you today in the debate. So you go and surrender to that person. So then Keshav Kashmiri went and surrendered to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. तो अलग से ज्ञान नहीं कल्टिवेट करना है. आप भक्ति कल्टिवेट करो, यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग. ओके. आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, मतलब धन चाहिए, आपको फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, आपको सुंदर हस्बैंड वाइफ चाहिए. ओके, ये तो मटेरियल चीज़ें हो गई, इसके लिए हम भक्ति प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कोर्स नहीं करते. बट आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, भक्ति हैज़ द पावर टू फुलफिल इट. ओके. एंड ऑफ कोर्स भक्ति हैज़ द पावर टू अटेन कृष्णा, श्री कृष्णा आकर्षणी. शुड नॉट इवन थिंक लाइक, ऐसा कौन व्यक्ति होता है जो मतलब जिसको मान लो बिल गेट्स कहे कि यू कैन टेक एज मच ऑफ माई वेल्थ एज यू वॉन्ट, एंड ही जस्ट कम्स बैक विद 1 rupee. And just give me 1 rupee. Okay, out of billions of dollars you have, give me 1 rupee. Okay, so that, I mean, these things are even not worth 1 rupee. Okay, जो भक्ति के side benefits हैं. But the major benefits of bhakti is that it is Shri Krishna Akarshini. It is Sudurlabha. Yes, it is Kleshagni. It is Shubhada. It is Sandaranand Visheshatma. Okay, it is Moksha Laghukrit. These are the 6 characteristics of Uttama Bhakti. Okay, Sandaranand Visheshatma. It is made up of only condensed bliss. जैसे रबड़ी नहीं बनाते, एकदम मिल्क को बॉईल करते रहते हैं, थिक होके इतना स्वीट हो जाता है, अमेजिंग हो जाता है इतना, राइट. So that is like that condensed bhakti, so sweet, so thick, so amazing. Hmm? And Shri Krishna Akarshan attracts Shri Krishna. Okay, भगवान को आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आपका पैसा नहीं चाहिए, आपका आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मतलब कुछ लोग सोचते हैं हमारे पास बहुत पैसा है हम भगवान को खरीद लेंगे. नो रास्कल, नथिंग. Krishna doesn't want anything. He doesn't want your food, he doesn't want your money, he doesn't want your flowers, he doesn't want anything. He just wants whatever you do for him, you do with love. Okay? जैसे किसी अपने के लिए करोगे ना, वैसे ही भगवान के लिए करो, बस. दैट्स ऑल ही वांट्स. और कुछ उनको नहीं चाहिए. ही डजेंट वांट इवन वन सिंगल थिंग. ओके, जैसे अपने बच्चे के लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, अपने सगे संबंधियों के लिए जैसे लव एंड अफेक्शन हम रख के कुछ भी कार्य करेंगे ना, वैसे ही भगवान के लिए भी करो. ठीक है, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली भगवान ही अपने हैं. ठीक है, भगवान ही अपने हैं, और कोई अपना नहीं है दुनिया में. और तो हम साथ आए हैं अभी इस जन्म के लिए, फिर इस जन्म के बाद बिछड़ जाएंगे. फिर वो अपने रास्ते, हम अपने रास्ते. अमरेंद्र प्रभु वाज टेलिंग ना, इट्स लाइक अ ट्रेन जर्नी. Different people get on at different stations and get off also at different stations. Yeah, it's a journey on the train. We shouldn't be attached. We should only be attached to Krishna, because Krishna is the one who has been with us since time immemorial. He is the one super soul within our heart who has always been with us and never left our side. Okay, should think about all this. You should think about all this. Okay, so you should do very nicely. Again and again I keep telling you, but you keep forgetting. Okay, so you have to do. Okay, and along with that, of course, you have to work on the cultivation of good qualities, right? Like today, 8 a.m, no one was here, not even single person. Then for at least till 8:30 or something, only Vidhi Mataji was there. No one joined apart from her. Yes, and then I called everyone, then everyone started joining. Okay, so this shows na, actually what is in our consciousness will reflect in our actions. All right, it is very easy to now say that okay, these sessions are the least of our priorities, right? Because if something is a priority, then if it's something important for us, then we ourselves, um, try to be available for that. Yes, and then again, many people don't have any accountability, like they never inform when they are disappearing. Okay, so we should cultivate these things, right? हम क्या अटेन करने जा रहे हैं? हम कृष्णा को अटेन करने जा रहे हैं, बट हमसे इतना नहीं होता कि हम एक मैसेज डाल दें, कोई हमारे लिए वेट कर रहा है, समवन इज एंक्शियस टू बी विद अस, बट हमसे इतना नहीं होता कि हम एक मैसेज डाल दें उस पर्सन को, एंड वी से वी वांट टू अटेन लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा. कृष्णा विल कम एंड स्लैप ऑल ऑफ अस. ओके, रास्कल. Okay, it's not good. We have to understand na. See, it's aparad only. If we hurt a devotee, then it's aparad. Okay, so you should not do. It's not good. These kind of activities are not good. We should be accountable. Where accountability is expected, we should be accountable. We should not see what others are doing. अरे ये भी तो नहीं कर रहा, ये भी तो नहीं कर रहा, ये भी तो नहीं कर रहा ना. At the end of our life, it will be between you and Krishna, not between you and them. You will not टेक देम टू यमराज कोर्ट कि अच्छा इसने ऐसा किया था. भाई तुमसे यही क्वेश्चन किया जाएगा, तुमने क्या किया. ठीक है, एंड इफ़ यू डू द राइट थिंग यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड. इफ़ यू डोंट डू द राइट थिंग देन God only help you. So we should be accountable. We, like, none of you share your sadhana, how things are going with you. I will not chase all of you. I have so many of my things also to do. Okay, you should be eager. You should be eager that I want association. I want inputs. Okay, I want to share my day-to-day life with you so that you can help me improve. You are the ones who should be eager, but most of you are not there. That eagerness is not there to attain Krishna. Okay, maybe once again when Shani or Rahu or Ketu start playing with your life, you may consider, I should become more serious. Okay, But we should be serious about these things. Time is so short, so very short. Okay, and our behavior with devotees, it's not good. Not good. We cannot behave like this. If someone is going to wait for us, then it's not good at all. I don't like it at all. Okay, so and ठीक है, like I don't mind per se, like I mean, who am I after all? But it will show in, it will reflect in dealings with all the people. Okay, and someday we'll end up offending some very exalted Vaishnava, and that will not be good for us. Okay, that will not be good for us, because Krishna doesn't like when someone offends his devotees, even though that person may be his devotee only. Okay, Krishna will surely teach us and many times he teaches the hard way. Okay, आज बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि अरे मैंने तो कुछ गलत नहीं किया, मेरे साथ क्यों गलत हो रहा है. हाँ, बहुत लोग कहते हैं. हाँ, विधि माता जी suddenly had a smile. Many people say like this to me. Just 2 days back, I Maharaj was meeting some Mataji, so I was also sitting there. She was also saying the same thing. I never hurt anyone. I never did anything wrong in my life. Why am I suffering so much like that? Okay, ठीक है. तो actually we should not be surprised if we are suffering. Should not be surprised at all, क्योंकि हम mindfully act ही नहीं करते हैं. हमारे मन में है ही नहीं, मतलब ना कैसे करना है, राइट प्रॉपर बिहेवियर क्या होता है, सदाचार क्या होता है, हमारे मन में है ही नहीं, हमें पता ही नहीं है. मान लो मंदिर में जा रहे हैं दर्शन करने के, बहुत भीड़ है, ठीक है. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, धक्का देते हैं, या कुछ लोग सबसे आगे खड़े हो जाते हैं. कोई आगे आएगा तो आगे आने ही नहीं देंगे, लड़ने लगेंगे. ऐसा बहुत होता है टेम्पल में भी, है ना. आप भगवान के सामने आए हो, ठीक है, आपको विनम्र होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, बट भगवान के सामने ही आप ऐसे एक्ट कर रहे हो कि नहीं, मैं करूँगा दर्शन, तो तू कौन है, चल हट यहाँ से. नो. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, इन द टेम्पल, लाइक ऑल आर बिहेवियर एवरीवेयर. सी सिंपल थिंग सच एज दैट. ओके, 8 AM का टाइम है, ठीक है. आई वॉज ऑल्सो लिटिल लेट बिकॉज आई वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम द ट्रेन. Okay, so my part also, I should have also put one message that I'll be 10 minutes late, so I joined at 8:08. Alright, so but none of you are here. Okay, then I have to call everyone. We could spend more time in discussion, right, rather than calling all of you, right? It wastes everyone's time. Okay, but मेरे को ये लगता है, अरे कॉल करके एक बंदा भी आ जाए तो it's not bad, right? Because you also don't endeavor for any other association. This is the only association that you get. Okay, your life is not designed in a way that you can be Krishna conscious, and we have to start designing our life in a way that we can be Krishna conscious. You should seek the association of devotees locally. You should spend time with them. You should chant. You should come on Zoom, hear classes, hear katha. Then you will be able to attain Krishna very easily. Okay, we are trying to build a community, but the community feeling is not there because most of us are not participating. Okay, similarly, like of course, cameras, no one keeps their cameras on. Again, aprad. So we should know later when something comes back to us na, in a way that we find it very unpalatable, like मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, then we should know कि क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ ऐसा. Okay, then we should not ask why this is happening with me. We should accept it, that okay, I have done some mistake in the past, so today I am getting this reaction, so let me at least accept this. अब उस रिएक्शन में भी अगर मैं ये करने लगूँ, अरे मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, then that is not the behavior of a Vaishnav. Vaishnav means tolerance. Vaishnav means simplicity. Vaishnav means humility. Vaishnav means we will accept everything as the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna, both good and bad. Okay, because we know that Lord Shri Krishna can never do any bad. Okay, we should understand. Even if we have something bad is going on with us, our health is not good, we became bankrupt, we lost our job, or whatever happened. Okay, we'll start blaming, we'll have no faith in Krishna. Oh, look, I worship this Krishna and look what this Krishna did with me. Huh? No, that is not good. That means, like, for what we were worshipping Krishna? For material things only, na? But I'm telling you, every reversal is a blessing in disguise. We just cannot see it yet. Okay? It's a blessing in disguise. I know it can be very painful to go through it. Very, very painful. Last 1 year has been very painful for me. Okay? But I see it that last 1 month has been like 100x better than last 1 year. Okay? And I learned that I was making a mistake. I was giving less priority to bhakti and more priority to managing other affairs. Now, when I give more priority to bhakti, naturally things are good with me. Okay? Bhakti has the power. I mean, I cannot explain it in words. Okay? Cannot explain it in words. It's the most powerful thing, most powerful entity in the whole universe. Okay? Bhakti Devi. So we should take shelter of bhakti. Okay? And bhakti means proper conduct. Okay? Proper conduct. Alright? Especially in our dealings with Vaishnavas. Okay? If we do any mistake in our dealing with Vaishnavas, okay, our chance is gone. Okay? बहुत लोग आते हैं, जैसे जुड़ते हैं, ठीक है, थोड़ा माला भी करते हैं, बहुत सेवा भी करते हैं, लेकिन कई सालों बाद हम देखते हैं कि उनका ना भक्ति में प्रोग्रेस हुआ, और कुछ को तो देखते हैं हम बहुत सालों तक उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया, फिर छोड़ के चले गए. क्यों होता है ऐसा? बिकॉज द डीलिंग्स विद वैष्णवास इज नॉट गुड, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी कनिष्ठा. कनिष्ठा मीन्स समवन हु इज अ वेरी जूनियर डिवोटी, someone who sees that only God is important, but the devotee is not important. Okay, such a person is known as a kanishtha, and it is very dangerous and difficult to be a kanishtha. Okay, we should rise. So 3 level होते हैं: कनिष्ठ अधिकारी, मध्यम अधिकारी, उत्तम अधिकारी. Okay, kanishta is the person who sees Krishna only in the temple. Okay, or who sees God only in God. He doesn't see God in his devotees. Okay, but Krishna बिल्कुल opposite है. Okay, even Krishna begs service from his devotees, and when he found that he could not repay the devotees, he said, na paraye hum, that I cannot repay you, I am so sorry, I cannot repay you for your service. ठीक है. और अगर हम उन्हीं वैष्णव के साथ दुर्व्यवहार करें, बदतमीजी करें, गलत व्यवहार करें, then what will happen to us? Okay, so we should never criticize a Vaishnava. Okay, everyone is struggling with their own anarthas, with their own things. We should never criticize. We should help. Okay, we should ask, what can I do to help you? Okay, and we should never hurt a Vaishnava in our dealings. We should never offend anyone. Our dealing should be such that no one feels offended by our behavior. Okay, भले ही मान लो आपको अक्यूज़ कर रहा है कोई. ओके, आपके गुरु के सामने कोई आपको अक्यूज़ कर रहा है कि गुरुदेव इसने ऐसा काम किया है, आपने वो काम किया ही नहीं है. ठीक है, देन व्हाट विल यू डू? सिचुएशन दे रहा हूँ आपको, आप सोचो क्या करोगे, बताओ. व्हाट विल यू डू? टेल मी. What tell me naturally what comes to your mind. It's okay, there's no judgment here. Yes, you will deny.
You might want to prove your point.
Yeah, you will want to prove your point, right? But then also Guru said, no, you are wrong. Okay, then what you will do? Okay, he's saying no, other person is right, you are only wrong. What will you do? Leave the Guru and go away? हाँ, देन जब आपको फेथ ही नहीं उस आदमी पे, तो क्यों आपने उसको गुरु बना लिया? जब आप उसकी डांट नहीं सह सकते. हाँ, सो यू शुड चेक दीज थिंग्स बिफोर हैंड, है ना. सो यू शुड नॉट ऑफेंड वैष्णवास. दैट इज माई पॉइंट. शुड नेवर ऑफेंड वैष्णवास. ओके, little things also should be very, very careful. Okay, I am telling you, we should be very careful in our dealings with Vaishnavas. Something as simple as putting a message in the group, right? Because it's very important. Okay, it's very important. If we are not cultivating this na, even after understanding it so many times, okay, so it's not good. Okay, like many of you don't open your cameras for no good reason. Okay, so it should not be like that. It should not be like that. How will you attain Krishna like this if you are acting so impersonally? We are personalists, right? We don't worship Krishna like Brahma Jyoti. We worship him as a person. So we should see each other. Should See your faces. We should feel happy seeing each other. Okay. And again, I'm repeating, you should have good behavior. Okay. Like, simple terms में, at least for our context, generally because this is the scope of your interaction with Vaishnavas, at least be accountable that okay, I will be late or I will not be joining, like that. Okay. And try to join on time, things like that. Everything shows na. Krishna will also see, oh, look at him, not eager at all, sleeping happily, 8 a.m. in the morning, dead body, sleeping 8 a.m. in the morning. This is time for sleeping. Even 4 a.m. in the morning is not time for sleeping. Okay, we have to slowly get there. Okay, but should be accountable. You should be accountable, and if you really want to succeed, you should take some guidance from some senior devotee. I'm not telling that should be me. Okay, it need not be me, it can be anyone. Okay, can be anyone, but you have to be accountable. You have to share what you are doing, where you are struggling. नहीं तो कैसे होगा? आप में मैं देख रहा हूँ, आप में से कुछ लोग प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग बिल्कुल प्रोग्रेस नहीं कर रहे, इवन आफ्टर ऑल दीज ईयर्स. थैंक यू कुंजन प्रभु, थैंक यू, हैप्पी टू सी यू. ओके, so we don't want to be that person, Prabhus and Matajis, who says even after 15 years that I made no progress. We want to make progress. Okay, we want to make progress, and आप अपने हार्ट के अंदर से वो सेटिस्फैक्शन फील करोगे. यार मेरे को बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, मेरे को इतना बोलना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. अगर हम अच्छा जप करेंगे, अच्छे से वैष्णव सदाचार रखेंगे, अकाउंटेबल रहेंगे, टाइम पे बताया करेंगे, सब चीज़ें, अंदर से हार्ट के अंदर सेटिस्फैक्शन होगा, क्योंकि कृष्णा हार्ट के अंदर से सब देख रहे हैं, and he will produce that satisfaction within the heart. Okay, it's very very important, very very extremely important to follow all this. Okay, so we have Ekadashi, all right, fasting from grains. We also have the wonderful day of Balram Purnima on Friday, all right. So fasting till noon on Friday, complete fasting till 12 p.m. After that, Ekadashi Prasadam only. Okay, so no grain on Friday and Monday, both days. Okay, and then Kartik month is there, and then Japa, please try to join. I'm telling again and again. And classes, if you like, I'll keep sharing the link for the various classes that are happening. Yes, and next we'll plan something. Navdeep Mandal Parikrama. I'll tell you the exact date. Okay, it is 9 to 17th March. Okay, Navdeep Mandal Parikrama. All have to come. Okay, and after that we'll have Braj Bliss retreat, which will be in. Okay, it will be from 13th to 20th June. Okay, so these are the two major programs we are having next year. So we'd definitely love for you all to be a part of it. है ना? तो ठीक है यार, नेक्स्ट टाइम ना. ओके, या वी आर स्टार्टिंग अ वेरी स्पेशल सेशन विच इज़ अ प्रिपरेशन फॉर कार्तिक. इट इज़ कॉल्ड, एनीवन वांट्स टू मेक अ गेस व्हाट इज़ द सेशन कॉल्ड? इट इज़ वेरी नाइस, वेरी वंडरफुल, ब्यूटिफुल, एंड यू विल बी डिप्ड into the ocean of rasa, ocean of Krishna Prem, by attending those sessions. They will be conducted by Preeti Mai. Okay, so anyone wants to guess the name of the session? It's really good. Sorry?
Astakam?
Yeah, we'll be learning Damodar Ashtakam, but it goes beyond that. Okay, so these sessions are called Shri Damodar Janani. Okay. So we'll have many sessions before Kartik, and maybe in Kartik also, on the topic called Shri Damodar Janani, mostly on Sundays. Please make time. Okay, we'll learn about the incredible pastime of Mother Yashoda binding Shri Krishna. Okay, so this spans actually 4 chapters from the Bhagavad Puran, which is chapter 9. Okay, I think so. It's just chapter 9 and 10. Okay, so we'll be going a lot into the depth of these 2 chapters. Okay, so we are trying to prepare our consciousness for the Kartik month. All right, so these sessions will be very very filled with rasa, wonderful pastimes of Lord Shri Krishna and Mother Yashoda binding Lord Shri Krishna with her love. Okay, Krishna is bound only by the love of his devotees. Okay, and we pray that we can bind also Krishna within all our hearts very, very soon. All right. So these are the updates, Prabhus and Matajis. Thank you so much for joining. Anyone has any question? ठीक है, फिर देखो प्लीज, आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू ज्वाइन डेली जपा. All right, make it a habit for the rest of our lives. Okay, for the rest of our lives, I will share the link uh, again today, or I can share it every day. I can share the timings also, but you people please try to be a part of it. Okay, it is helping me. Not only it's helping me, it's elevating me into consciousness, into a very high zone. All right, and I want all of you to also experience it. So please try to join. Please try to join. There will be no material hankering, no material pain. Okay, I know many of you are carrying it. Many of you are carrying it unnecessarily. Just try to chant good rounds and you'll be happy. Perfectly happy. Okay? Just do that. Okay? Any question?
इनका फोन इनका ठीक ही है. इनके फोन के पंखे की आवाज इतनी अधिक नहीं.
Okay then, we'll see you later. Okay? Thank you so much for joining us today. Very happy to be with all of you. At least end में तो सब लोग कैमरा ऑन कर ही सकते हैं. नहीं? ओके. वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय. नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय. निताई गौर सीतानाथ प्रेमानंदे. हरि हरि बोल. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. श्रील गुरुदेव की जय. हरे कृष्णा. ऑल राइट, सी ऑल नेक्स्ट वीक. हरे कृष्णा.
थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा. पिज्जा.